Hey everyone, Zach here, and today I've picked up a data line USB cable. I picked this up from New Vending. It is, it's a nice cable. I've been using it for about a week now. It's nice because it has micro USB, Lightning, and Type C. The downside to this, which I was pretty disappointed because it does say it in its specifications, but it doesn't have quick charging, which is a real bummer because the Galaxy S8 usually charges really fast, but with this, it takes almost 2.5 hours to charge from 0 to full, as opposed to with the quick charge, about a little over an hour I can have it topped off. But if you look at the features right here, I know they're hard to see, but it's tough woven wire, strengthened by bioendometrial. Basically, it's a braided cable is what they're saying. And then injection molded, and then super speed for charging and transfer. Well, that's where I think they're maybe a little bit off. Maybe I just don't have, maybe I just have a faulty one. But overall, the construction is really nice, and the adaptability and versatility of this cable is great. It's just it doesn't have fast charging, so overall, great cable. Just wish it had fast charging. Have a great day. Bye-bye.